Are you stuck with a bid on eBay that you wish you never placed? Today, I'm going to show you how to cancel a bid on eBay in just a few simple steps so you can take control of your purchases without stress. First, log into your eBay account. You have two main ways to cancel a bid, through the My eBay section or the Help and Contact page. If you go to My eBay, navigate to your bidding activity to find the item you want to retract your bid from. Click on the Retract Bid option. Next, eBay will ask you to choose a reason for canceling. Make sure your reason is valid because eBay requires it. Common valid reasons include accidentally entering the wrong bid amount or noticing that the item description has changed significantly. Select your reason carefully, as this helps prevent any issues with your account. Once you've selected your reason, click Retract Bid or Submit. That's it, your bid is canceled and you'll receive a confirmation. Keep in mind that eBay limits bid retractions, so use them wisely to avoid any warnings or restrictions on your account. And there you have it. Canceling a bid on eBay is quick, easy, and stress-free when you know the right steps. If you ever make a mistake or notice a change in an item's listing, now you know exactly what to do. Take control of your bidding, shop smart, and never worry about an accidental bid again.